In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix Registry Editor not working on Windows 11 computer. The first fix, go to File Explorer, click on this PC, go to C drive, go to Windows, scroll down, go to System 32, scroll down. Here you will find regedit32.exe. Right click on this file and then click on copy. Close File Explorer, paste it to your desktop. Just rename the file. Now try to open. Still not fixed. Go for next step. In search, type gpedit. Click on Edit Group Policy. Under User Configuration, expand Administrative Template. Then click on System. Scroll down. Here you will find a setting, Prevent Access to Registry Editing Tool. Right click on it and click on Edit. Here the setting is enabled. Click on Not Configured, or you can click on Disabled. Then click on Apply. Click on OK. Close Group Policy Editor. Right click on Start menu. Click on Run. In Run, type gp update /force. Click on OK. Updating policy. The computer policy update has completed successfully. Hope this fixes solve your issue. If Registry Editor is still not working, you have to go for next step. Go to search. In search, type cmd. Right click on command prompt. Click on Run as administrator. Type dism.exe/online/cleanup image and /restore health. Now hit enter. Deployment image servicing and management tool has been started. It will clean up your system images and restore corrupted files. The restore operation completed successfully. Hope this will fix your issue. If Registry Editor is still not working, next step, type SFC/scan now. Now hit enter. The System File Checker utility will scan for corruption in file system. Now you need to restart your computer. Close command prompt, click on Start menu, click on Power, and then click on Restart. After restarting the computer, now you can try to open your copied registry editing file. It working, and you can also try to open from source. That's it. This is the easiest way to fix Registry Editor not working on Windows 11 computer.